Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for insightful reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting and gift wrapping with a product that's caught our eye, the Ribbli double-faced red satin ribbon. If you're looking for the best ribbon to elevate your flower bouquet game, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about why this ribbon stands out from the rest. First off, it's all about quality and versatility. This ribbon is crafted from double-faced solid satin fabric, ensuring a luxurious feel and a glossy finish on both sides. Whether you're wrapping gifts, decorating for Christmas, or arranging stunning floral bouquets, this ribbon has got you covered. One of the things I love about this ribbon is the range of options available. Plus, with 25 yards per spool without splices, you'll have plenty of ribbon to bring your creative ideas to life. Now, let's talk material. Made of 100% polyester, this ribbon is not only durable and sturdier than your average ribbon but also washable, non-shrink, and color-fast. That means your creations will maintain their elegance and vibrancy over time. But wait, there's more. This ribbon isn't just for wrapping gifts. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of crafts and decorations. From hair bows to party decorations, scrapbooking to floral arrangements, the possibilities are endless. It's the perfect companion for all your crafting and sewing adventures. And let's not forget about the brand behind the product. Ribbli is committed to providing high-quality products and services, making them a trusted choice for crafters and creators everywhere. With Ribbli, you can trust that you're getting top-notch materials and excellent value for your money. So there you have it, folks. The Ribbli double-faced red satin ribbon is truly a game-changer in the world of crafting and gift wrapping. With its quality, versatility, and commitment to excellence, it's no wonder why this ribbon is a favorite among crafters everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this ribbon is sure to take your creations to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy crafting!